Hi and welcome to Kulfi Forms. In today's video, I'll show you how easily to create a volunteer feedback form for free with Kulfi Forms. Let's start after this quick intro. I opened the new sheet from Add Once, Kulfi Forms, Load from Template, and in search write Volunteer and select the first option. Then click Load from Template. From this button, copy the link then paste it. And you will notice that this link is completely synced to your Google Sheet, and don't worry if there's something you don't like. You can change it from Google Spreadsheet itself. Now, let's say that you don't like the background. Then let's go back to our settings, and this is a body background color. You can select another one from here. Let's make it yellow. And if I refresh this link, you will see the background color changing. And similarly, you can change anything on the form from Settings tab and add or remove questions from Question tab. The links to the add-on and how to install it are in the description. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it in comments. Thanks for watching Kulfi Forms.